everyone, I'm Suzanne Khan, a learner of SR Group of College. I'm a student of SR Group of College. I'm doing a computer application course and a personality development course. I want to tell you about my journey. When I came here, I don't know how to speak English and I got stuck in my English speaking. And I don't have any knowledge about the computer. But when I came here and getting knowledge from our faculty members and our teachers providing me a set of structures and providing me a proper training to make me a better person, to make me a person which is updated in this world. So if you want to become fluent in English speaking and if you want to speak English very well, then you have to join this coaching. What our teachers is providing you, it's not just a communication skill, it's a personality development course which is included and which is applied and which is demanded by all over the world and all over the company and especially a college student. So you must join this coaching at any cost if you want to be a successful person in your life.